This is how to make this night vision effect in Premiere Pro. So first, we need to create an adjustment layer. So go to the project panel, click on new item, and then select adjustment layer and click on OK. Now simply drag the adjustment layer above the clips you want the night vision effect on. Now to make this green night vision look, you first need to go to effects and then search tint, and then apply the effect to the adjustment layer. And with the layer selected, go to effects controls, and under tint, click on map white 2, and then change the color to a green color, and then click on OK. Now to make this effect more realistic, we are also going to add some grain to it. So go to effects and search noise and apply it to the adjustment layer, and now increase the amount of noise to around 30 or whatever you like. And you can also turn off color noise so you only get black and white grain. We are also going to add a vignette to the video, so select the adjustment layer and open lumetri color, and if you don't have it, then go to window and enable lumetri color. Now in here, simply expand vignette and then decrease the amount to around -2, so we get these nice black edges around the video. And for the final touch, we're going to add these small lines to the video. So go to effects and search grid, and then apply it to the adjustment layer. And in effects controls under grid, change the second corner value to around 560, so we get these small horizontal lines. And to remove the vertical lines, you need to change the first corner value quite a bit. Now to remove the last vertical line, you need to change the anchor value as well. Now to apply these lines to the video, you simply need to change the blending mode to overlay, and we should now see our video again. This is the final result. To learn more about Premiere, click on the video on screen right now. Now see you there.